Hi guys, Rover Dude here, and just wanted to show you guys what it is that you see the front hood of every morning, and it's this Discovery right here. There's a little story with this Discovery and the things that I have gone through with it. One thing is the front windshield. It was cracked by a rock originally, and ever since then it's been switched out like twice. Well, actually it's going to be the third time now. And what has happened is this last time they came out, this is what happened. And I'll show you guys here. They broke the windshield, so now it has to get replaced again. The sorry, the plastics, this one right here, has been replaced. They may break it again when they come. The cowl was also broken by the person who repaired it the first time, and it's been eventful with this, trying to get this windshield replaced. So hopefully when they call me again, and that's Safe Light Auto Glass, when they call me again, they will be able to resolve this issue, because it's getting a little tiring. Oh, another thing is the headliner. The guy who did the headliner, or I'm sorry, did the window, put so much goo in the headliner itself that they had to basically scrape it off, and it has gotten on the headliner too. Let me see if I can show you from underneath. I don't know if you're able to see it there, but it's broken, and when they detached the window, all that stuff pulled on the headliner and ripped into it. Otherwise the car's in good shape, thank goodness. So that's basically the story with this guy. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I may be keeping it and modifying it later on, or I may switch to a Range Rover. It's actually what my wife likes a lot. So just to give you a little heads up. Sorry about the cough. I have like bad allergies today for some reason. But anyway, this is what you guys see every morning, or when I do my little reports. So again, thank you for watching, and Rover Dude out.